Okay, so here I am in South Carolina. What's today's date? Okay, I just started recording without even hitting anything. Okay, there's my dogs. Let me just start off with that. What's up? It's me. It's me. I said it twice. Okay, it's me. So I'm gonna record because I want to document my experience. So today is Saturday, April 15th. I am experiencing the springtime in South Carolina. All right, let me not look at myself. Okay, yeah, let's go. So yeah, today is Saturday, March 15th. I just want to document the springtime. As I mentioned, there's my dog Achilles. That's where we burn some wood. That's my dumbass dog Winnie. Yep. Nah, she's cool as shit. But yeah, somebody just fired off some gunshots. Before, there was like, what, no leaves? Yeah, there were no leaves around and stuff. Woo. Yeah, bro, everything was so dry. But look at that bitch, bro. That shit is so green now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The weather is just like, it's not, the sun is very, very, very warm. But there's like this little cool breeze. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. Because I wanna record just the sound. Alright. And action. I'm just bullshitting. Alright, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Hey, what's up, Winnie? And then where's he at? Motherfucking Achilles. Alright, we're gonna keep walking. I'm gonna keep walking straight. There goes Achilles. Oh yeah, there's my punch bag. Yeah, I'm gonna, right after this, I'm about to go hit that motherfucker. Well, not really hit it, but do like some core exercises. Well, anyways, here's the springtime in beautiful Carolina.